Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
Hello friends, thank you for joining us. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to freshen up your bathroom without breaking the bank. Whether it's time for a quick refresher or if you're in the process of remodeling your space completely, we all can use some budget-friendly ideas on how to spruce up our bathrooms without spending too much money. I've got some great ways that will help you feel like $1 million just by changing out a few things in your home spa. Replace your old shower curtain with a new one that matches the style of your bathroom. Get rid of the old shower curtain and the floor mat. The floor mat can really get gross, especially if it's been a few years since you replaced it. Replacing them with a new one will really make your bathroom feel brand new again. Replace bath mats and hand towels. You can get these anywhere for a few dollars to a few $100 depending on the style you're going for. Add a bath rug or bath mat if you don't have one already. It'll add some softness to your space and also help prevent slipping in the tub or shower, especially if they have non-skid bottoms that are installed right into the mat itself. Remove old shelving fixtures from your walls and replace them with newer ones that match the decor of your bathroom better. If you're adding shelving, measure properly so everything fits perfectly before picking up a drill or a drill bit. Replace the light fixtures in your bathroom with something newer and more stylish. This will really help bring together an overall look for your space. Add a fresh coat of paint to brighten up the space and also give you a blank slate to build on going forward. Spruce up or replace countertops if they're worn out, damaged, or just tired looking. Get rid of any knickknacks that don't match the style of your new space and go with something cleaner and modern looking instead. Install a new toilet seat and cover to make it more comfortable to use. Investing in a new toilet seat is well worth the money to help make your mornings brighter. The right toilet seat and cover is also important for germ control. It will not only look more inviting but it will be a lot more sanitary too. Some covers come with features that can reduce noise while others have an automatic lid that closes slowly for added comfort. Go shopping and check out your local dollar store if you need some extra budget-friendly ideas on how to upgrade and freshen up your bathroom's appearance at the same time. You can find things like soap dispensers, shampoo bottles, hand soaps, lotions, crates or baskets for storing towels and washcloths, toilet paper holders, toothbrush holders, magazine racks, you name it. These are all great little add-ons to complete a fresh look in your bathroom when done right. Add some fresh flowers in a vase or pot on the sink countertop. A fresh flower in the bathroom brings life to the area and makes it look more vibrant. If you cannot afford flowers, consider buying a silk arrangement that is similar to real ones. If your bathroom only features white tiles, it may seem very bland and cold. To bring some color into the bathroom without spending too much money, buy cheap paint from the local store. If you cannot spend even that much money, just use some colorful paints to give the tiles a new look. You can also paint your bathroom tile with glaze for bathrooms, which is very easy to apply and costs less than $20. A bath mat or rug near the tub will increase comfort when stepping out of it, especially after having a long luxurious soak in the tub. It will also help prevent slipping accidents in the bathroom, since it can get quite slippery during summer showers. Just pick up an inexpensive one at the nearest department store. It will make life easier if you mount 2 towel racks above your sink instead of using only one hook on its side. You'll find this tip particularly helpful when drying your clothes. You can also install some spare towel racks near the toilet to hold your bath towels at all times, without having to search around the bathroom for them every time you need one. Putting an extra curtain rod in the shower is a great way of saving space in tight bathrooms. You can hang towels on it instead of taking up additional floor space with a standalone rack. If you're looking for budget bathroom ideas, think about adding some storage cabinets or sheds below the sink countertop. Store your supplies and toiletries in them so that they are hidden from plain sight but easy to access when needed. Also, keep an air freshener handy to avoid bad smells after cooking or taking long showers. By adding some budget bathroom ideas, you can easily save space and make your household cleanup tasks easier. Hope it helps. A bathroom should be designed to allow you to relax and unwind when you are finished using it. And it shouldn't take away from your ability to spend quality time with your family or friends. It is important to consider the type of bathroom that will best suit your needs and desires. This includes the size of the room, the layout and design, the fixtures, and the materials used. A common way to make a big impression in a small space is to use wallpaper. But you don't necessarily need to use the same kind of paper you'd use in a larger space. Wallpaper can be a great way to create a mood in a bathroom, and it's also a great way to change the look of your space in a matter of minutes. The next step in the process is to establish a budget. We will have to find the money to make the remodeling happen. You can use your home equity to finance the project, you can get a loan, you can sell something you own, or you can cut back on spending to pay for the project. A bathtub has become one of the most popular home upgrades in the last few years. This is because it is a relatively cheap way to add extra space to your bathroom and can also help improve the quality of your home's overall design. If you are looking to upgrade the design of your existing bathroom, there are many affordable options available to you. Some of the best things that you can do are to get new fixtures, such as a new sink or shower, and replace old, worn-out tiles. Some budget bathrooms have a shower that can be turned off when the water is running out. This can save a significant amount of money on a monthly basis. You can also look at your local hardware stores for showers that are already equipped with this feature. If you want to attract people to your bathroom, be creative, says Caruso. Make sure you keep it neat and clean. Make it a welcoming place for guests to come into. If you don't want to compromise the quality of your home, then you'll want to make sure that your new bathroom is one of the more attractive parts of your house. You can use your bathroom as an opportunity to change the atmosphere of the room and make it into something that you're proud of and that reflects your personality. A great way to start is to go through all the things that you love about bathrooms. Then, take a look at the rooms that you don't like. What can you do to change that? The best way to save money on your next renovation is to get in early and get out fast, says architect Joe Nardella of Studio E, an architectural firm in New York City. Before you know it, you've overspent and you're not in a position to negotiate on price.